Hello guys, in this video we will know about how we can remove watermark from the image. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, open your Google where we can search some watermark images first. Suppose we have now image, lot of images you can see. There are watermark images here, and suppose we choose this one. We will first download this image on the desktop. Now all you have to do is to remove this watermark. There are different softwares which can remove these watermarks, but to speed up your work we can use the online website that can remove in just 1 second. So let us here again write Google and search here remove watermark from images, and this website you can see watermarkremover.io. it's an AI based website. It can automatically detect the watermark and remove it accordingly. So let us here first upload the image. We have the image at desktop, this image. Open it. Now in just a few moments the copyright is removed here, and you can download now image, and here you can see, now you can see the image, no watermark is on this image. Now this way you can remove the watermarks from your image very fast. But there are other softwares like Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, but there are some so many steps to remove the watermark. But this way this will speed up your work, and you can automatically remove the watermarks from the images. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.